Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for stopping in. I am going to be showing you in this video how I plan in my dashboard extension pack for my faith planner. Now, I use my faith planner for my daily Bible studies that I do personally on my own, and then I also sometimes do them with my best friend as well. And we do those on the Bible app. So how I decorate in this is pretty simple. I decorate the list side with lots of stickers and a few places for me to write out prayer requests and then other thoughts, maybe even daily Bible verses, things like that. And so that's pretty self-explanatory. And then the other side, I, of course, since it's a dashboard extension pack, I have to date it because extension packs just come in the clear plastic. There's no actual dates on them, but I actually prefer that because I can date it however I like. I have lots of numbers to choose from, so that's what I do there. And then I leave it pretty much open other than some of the borders, and so I have enough space to put in whatever I choose for what I learn from or different thoughts and whatever from each Bible study. So I ran out of whiteout in the middle of this video, so I got my last one, and that is a reminder for me to go ahead and order more. And I will definitely be getting the Tombow again because I really do not like the Bic whiteout. I use the Tombow whiteout not only because it's a better deal because I get it on Amazon more of like in a bulk pack, which is linked in my Amazon favorites in the description of every single video. But I just don't like the Bic whiteout because it pulls up and then it's not easy to write on top of. The Tombow whiteout lays down really nicely. It's really smooth to write on top of. And overall, I just love it way more. So that's it for that. The rest of this video is really me just sticking down as much as I can. Oh, I also forgot to mention the sticker book that I'm using is one of a pretty older sticker book. It's the Teacher Happy Year. It has the red, like, seasonal. It's number 741. I, of course, always list out the videos, or not videos, the sticker books that I use in each video in the description below each video. But I also like to mention it as well. So the rest, I'm just going to pop on some music. Y'all enjoy watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have some extension packs and which ones you didn't think that you would use as much, but now you are totally obsessed with. And that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.